Hello everyone, happy Saturday. So today's video, I'm gonna change it up a bit. We are gonna be doing my beauty summer must-haves. We're going back to that old school YouTube days where we used to do all these fun must-haves. I miss them. I've been having a lot of products that I have been loving for the summertime. I wanna share them with you guys. Let me know if you enjoy these types of videos, kind of like sprinkled in with the PR unboxings, and I can do more of them for you guys. But everything that I talk about in this video is going to be linked down below if you guys want to check it out. If I have a discount code for anything, it'll be right next to the link. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so first off, we're going to go ahead and get into SPF because it's the summertime and we need to be wearing our SPF. I've actually gotten a lot better about it this past year, I have to say, than I was in previous years. And I am always putting on an SPF on my face because I'm outdoors every single day now. So the one that I've been using and loving is the TATCHA one. This is the Silk Sunscreen. It has an SPF of 50. I love the formula of this. It goes on really nicely. It sits underneath my makeup. It doesn't have that greasy feel, which is amazing because if you have a greasy sunscreen on your face and you're putting makeup on top, it's just gonna slip and slide, and it does not do that with this one. This one honestly kind of makes your face feel a little bit like that Silk Canvas primer that they have, where it feels like it kind of like blurs out your pores and is a good primer for your makeup, but it also has an SPF of 50 in it. So if you're looking for a new face sunscreen, I definitely recommend checking out the TATCHA one. I have really been enjoying this, and it's honestly working its way to being gone. So sticking with SPF is another SPF stick that I've been really liking too. This one is a little bit more of a different formula than the TATCHA one. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dew Balm. It has an SPF of 45 with niacinamide in it, so it's gonna give you that really pretty glow. But this one honestly is so refreshing on the face, and it brings the most beautiful glow to the face as well. It is so nice and cooling. Like, I mean, just look at that. Like all over your face, and it's an SPF. Like, this is amazing. I love this one for like the morning times as well, and then also it's really great to reapply throughout the day. Like, say if you're not wearing makeup, you're at the beach or the pool, and it just kind of gives that really pretty glow to the skin, and it feels nice and refreshing on it too. So definitely check this guy out. I love the little stick form. It glides on, so it's not pulling or tugging the skin like how some of those other sun sticks do. So definitely check out the Glow Recipe one, you guys. Okay, so next up, I have a product here that's gonna help you get that summer glow, and I love this look for the summertime. I like it when my makeup is more lightweight. You can kind of see my skin peeking through, and it just has a pretty glow to it. So this product right here, I have been loving, and you're gonna see the other one that they came out with first that I fell in love with, and I got so excited for this one. But this is the Bronze and Glow Drops from First Aid Beauty with niacinamide. These are so beautiful, you guys. So it's got like a little squeezy tube right here. You just put some on your hand, and then you just rub it in, and it just brings a really pretty glow to the skin. So I like to put this all over my face after I do my sunscreen to just kind of like get my face like glowy and dewy and ready for my makeup. And it's really pretty even just by itself as well, even if you don't put on makeup on top of it. And I believe this one actually is on sale right now for Ulta Beauty. It retails for $28. I think you can get it for like $24, $25 right now. But this is also like a perfect dupe for the Drunk Elephant one. So this little baby right here just like went viral and crazy all over TikTok a while back. And First Aid Beauty came out with one, and this one is actually $10 cheaper than the Drunk Elephant. And I feel like they give you a very similar look. So you guys can kind of see like the difference. I'll put this one on this hand. But they are very similar. But yeah, anyway, so this is the First Aid Beauty, and then this is the Drunk Elephant. So it's like the perfect dupe, and it gives like a light tint to the face too. So it kind of helps even things out and bring in like a bronzy glow in there. So definitely recommend checking that one out. And again, it's on sale right now. So I'll have it linked to Ulta, I think is where it's on sale. Okay, so one of my favorite products is to wear in the summertime are blushes. So I have a few of them here. The first one I want to talk about is this BUXOM one. Oh my gosh, I love a good cream blush, and this one is so pretty. This is the Plump Shot, and it's in the shade Coral Cheer, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So what I do is I take kind of more of a denser brush, and I stipple it in here, and then I just place it onto my cheeks. But you can just see how gorgeous this is. It blends out beautifully. It goes on the skin beautifully. It wears great throughout the day. And I just love that coral pop, especially for the summertime. I feel like it's very fresh. You know, I'm loving the coral right now. It's such a fun color for the summer. So I really love these blushes. The formulas are great. They also have a ton of different colors too that you can check out, but this is one of my favorite shades right now. Kind of sticking with the blushes, I actually have these DIBS Beauty ones right here. And these are their like contour stick and blush stick. And these are so good. You've got to try these. So this is like all I use now for my cream contour, and then I also go into the blush too sometimes if I'm not wanting to use something else. And it's also great for travel because you get like a little duo. So the one that I love is Starlit because I love the shade of the blush is really pretty. There's the blush right there. It's got like a nice little sheen to it. Kind of reminds me of Orgasm for NARS. If you love that one, then you love this guy right here. And then the bronzer stick right here is also, or the contour stick, is a really nice cool tone. And they blend out so nicely on the skin. So all I do is to really focus it right here, and then I blend it out, and I take the excess and put it anywhere like by my nose, underneath my chin, and stuff like that to contour with. But the formula is great. I love it. It wears really well, and it's perfect for that summertime too. So definitely check these out. Okay, so next up is one that I really should have talked about right after the other First Aid Beauty product, but I have raved about this one on my channel for a while now, and this guy's already almost gone. I already have a backup, but this is the First Aid Beauty Brighten Glow Eye Cream with Niacinamide. Oh my gosh, this is the best eye cream for during the day, you guys. It brings the most beautiful glow underneath your eyes. Like, it just kind of makes them look more awake, and just look at that. It just really helps prep your face for makeup, and honestly would look really pretty just by itself as well. But I love to focus this underneath the eyes. I just focus it all right here, and it goes beautifully under makeup. It doesn't make anything slip or slide, move, or anything. It just kind of brings like it just brightens it up and glows. And I think it's so pretty for honestly year round for me. I use this one year round, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So if you're looking for a new eye cream for during the day, definitely need to check this one out. I think you will really, really love this. Okay, so next up, like I said, I really like light face makeup. That is my favorite. And I kind of just add in more coverage with concealer where I need to. And the product that I love and has been holy grail now for a while, that I know it's pricey, but it is so worth it, is the CHANTECAILLE. This is the Feature Skin Cushion. I use the shade Wheat. I'm wearing it today. I wear it every single day. It holds up so well, and I love it that I can see my freckles and everything kind of peeking through too. It just helps me like even out my skin. And it just gives me a beautiful glow to my skin. Like, I get so many compliments in person about wearing this, and I found this from my mom because, like I said in the past video, I was out and about with her. I was like, oh my God, what do you have on your skin? It is so beautiful. Like, it just like brought this glow to her skin and made it just really pretty. And she said it was CHANTECAILLE, and so that's how I've been hooked on it since. So, and now I've got like Ross's sister hooked on it. We've got my cousin Amy hooked on it. It is so stinking good. I'm telling you, you need to try this out. It's great for all skin types, all ages, because I have combination skin. It works out great for me. My mom has dry skin and mature skin. It works out great for her. So I'm telling you, it is amazing, especially if you have mature skin and you have the fine lines and wrinkles. You need to try this because it does not seep into it at all. So I'm telling you, it's very beautiful. Very, very beautiful on mature skin. So definitely give CHANTECAILLE a go. All right, so now into lips. I'm gonna share some of my lip products that I love, just like go to summer. And this one I've been really enjoying from Thrive Cosmetics. I love Thrive Cosmetics. They have the best mascara. I don't wear mascara anymore because I have lash extensions, but they actually sent me a package of their lip crayons, and this one I have been really loving. It's the EmpowerMatte Precision Lipstick Crayon, and it's in Kaisa, K-A-I-S-A, and it is so beautiful. I'm wearing it right now. But I just love this tone. It's like kind of like a muted mauve shade. Really pretty, kind of like your lip color, but better. So I just place that all over my lips. And then I love to top it off with a clear gloss. And one that I have been obsessed with right now is the Sigma Renew Lip Oil. It's enriched with a jojoba oil and sunflower seed oil and vitamin E. It's very moisturizing, very hydrating, and that's really what I love for the summertime because I love a good clear lip gloss, and this one is amazing. So watch, I'm just gonna top it off, and I also really love the applicators to these too. But this is just a great, like, look at this, the juiciness it gives. This is just a great lip oil to have in your bag at all times. All right, so I actually have 2 lotions I want to share with you guys that I have been using non-stop. So this first one is a body butter because I like to use body butters at nighttime because I want it just to really, like, my skin just to soak it in for the nighttime, and I feel so nice and soft in the morning. And oh my god, this one is so good and it smells amazing. It's by LALICIOUS and it's the Peachy Keen Hydrating Body Butter. I am working my way through this guy right now, and oh, it smells so good. Honestly, you wear this one during the day too, but this one I have it like sitting on my nightstand, and I just like to lather my legs, my arms, my chest, everything in this, and it just is so refreshing, especially if I'm out playing pickleball and I come back and I take a shower. I love to lather this. I just feel like it just really helps soothe my skin from being in the sun and just hydrates me up, and just, oh, it's just so refreshing. And the smell is amazing. So again, you guys have got to check out the Peachy Keen one. They also have a body scrub in it, but the body butter is 10 out of 10. So for during the day, this one I actually tend to lather on myself because I leave this one in my filming room. So when I'm getting ready in the morning, I'll go and like lather this on my legs and my arms really quickly. And this one I also love the smell of. It's the body lotion from this brand called Osana, and it's peppermint and cucumber. And this one smells really, really good too. I like this one for the during the day because it's a little bit more lightweight, and it gives your skin a really pretty, like, dewy finish to it. And oh my god, it smells so stinking good too. But yeah, so this is the one that I use during the day just because it's a little bit lighter weight, and again, it gives you that really pretty glow to the skin. So I love this, and the smell is awesome too. So it's also, so again, it's called the peppermint and cucumber one. So definitely check this baby out. All right, so that is everything in my beauty summer must-haves, you guys. These are the products that I've been using, the products I've been loving right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, everything that I talk about is linked down below. If I have a discount code for anything, it'll be right next to the link. Make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.